Welcome to Chevypedia. This is Angel from Palm Chevrolet, and today we're going to show you something amazing about the new 2023 Tahoe High Country with Super Cruise Control. If you notice, there is a parking space right here that is rather tight in between that Expedition and the little Honda, and that thing is going to park there by itself. I'm going to show you how this is going to happen. My thinking on this is that because it has Super Cruise, now it's finally had all the sensors needed and the camera operation to do this, because the Tahoe never park itself, neither the Suburban. So my guess is that because of that technology, now we can actually pull this off. But it's never done before. I've never seen it before, and I never even have a YouTube video that I've seen it. So you guys are in for a treat. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. And we did offer this feature on the Chevy SS since 2014. We also had it on the Chevy Volt since 2016 or 17. The Malibu did it, and now the Equinox does it. But it's never been done in a full-size stroke like this. And it's a little nerve-wracking because it's such a big car. You can see this one has the Super Cruise Control with the little sensor there. So what we're going to do, we're going to look on the left side of the console. There's a new button here with the 2 Ps, or 1 P with 2 sensors. We're going to hit that, and the car is going to ask us how you want to park. Do you want to park parallel, or do you want to do perpendicular? Do you want to go on the left, or do you want to go on the right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit the car, put it in drive, and I'm going to choose to the right, and I'm going to choose my turn signal. After I've done that, it says searching for a parking space on the right, drive forward, and stay alert. All right, so let's stay alert and drive forward, looking for the parking spot. You can see the parking spot right there. And when I find it, it's going to ask me to stop. All right. There we go. I find it. So now it's telling me to stop, shift to reverse, and hold brake, stay alert. Okay, we're going to hold this. I'm going to put it in reverse. Now the steering wheel is kind of going to shake a little bit, but I want you to pay attention to this. I don't have to hold the brake or do the shifting, which we always had to do. We always had to hold the brake pedal and control the braking. And so it is the shifting happening. But now I take my foot off the brake, my foot out on the ground. This thing is moving by itself, and it's going to try to pull in that small parking space. Now notice there's a little Honda there. So it's going to do the stop. And now by itself, I don't know if you catch that, but it just changed to drive by itself, and it's going to move forward. Look, no hands. The other hand is holding the phone. All right, so now we're moving forward, and no, watch this. It's gonna shift to reverse all by itself. See that? Wow, this is spooky. Oh my God. What? It's hard to believe. Look, it's getting inside the parking space perfectly and leaving a space in between the two vehicles. And then watch this. When I finish, it's gonna shift to park by itself. It says brake press, final position, and it activates the parking brake as well. Let's see how we did. This is amazing. All right, so we have the car in parking. Wow. Wow, guys, let's take a look at this. So we have 4 or 5 feet in between the Honda and the Tahoe, and here's the Expedition side. Just about the same. Amazing. I can't believe I just got parked by a computer, a robot. A freaking Tahoe, a full-size SUV. Amazing. I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe and share with your friends. And come see us here at Palm Chevrolet. Today is Saturday, the 2nd of December. So we're starting a new month with a lot of nice things, such as this beauty right here. It's available now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.